Hi, this is Michael from KidSafe, and this is a Safety First stove knob cover. It can be used to baby-proof almost any kind of push and turn knob on an oven or stove. Most stove burners operate by pushing in and turning the knob. If given the opportunity, kids will imitate that. That's why a stove knob cover will eliminate that hazard. The stove knob cover can be installed in a few easy steps. The first one is to remove the existing knob. You just slide it off. The second step is to open up the knob cover and place it over the arm. You then slide the knob back into place. Once the knob is back in place, simply fold the cover into place. It is now secure, and a child cannot get access to the stove knob. For adult access to the knob, you simply press and pull it open.